More breaking news now. At least one person is dead from tornadoes in the plains tonight.
We have some new pictures of the damage in Norfolk, Nebraska. A pair of tornadoes hit the town, leveling homes, tossing cars, and stripping branches off the trees. We do know one person is dead, 16 others critically injured. The governor has declared a state of emergency.
Now some video of the twin tornadoes. Look at that here. Remarkable, to say the least. That's an extraordinary scene. How rare is that, Bill Kelly?
That's extremely rare, especially, I don't know, 1 in a million. I don't know that statistic,
right.
But I mean, especially to have them so well defined, those tornadoes next to each other like that.
I don't think I've ever seen that.
Yeah, that's very, very rare. 21 preliminary reports of tornadoes today, mainly over there in Nebraska.